Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Let's start the day.
Let's start the day.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Stretch your arms.
Stretch your arms.
Sit up slowly.
Sit up slowly.
Stand on your feet.
Stand on your feet.
Let's make the bed.
Let's make the bed.
Go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Rinse your mouth.
Rinse your mouth.
Dry your hands.
Dry your hands.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Use the towel.
Use the towel.
Wear clean clothes.
Wear clean clothes.
Button your shirt.
Button your shirt.
Zip your jacket.
Zip your jacket.
Tie your belt.
Tie your belt.
Check your pockets.
Check your pockets.
Grab your bag.
Grab your bag.
Wear your cap.
Wear your cap.
Don't forget socks.
Don't forget socks.
Get your lunchbox.
Get your lunchbox.
Come eat breakfast.
Come eat breakfast.
Drink some water.
Drink some water.
Chew your food well.
Chew your food well.
Use a spoon.
Use a spoon.
Use your napkin.
Use your napkin.
Don't spill juice.
Don't spill juice.
Wipe your mouth.
Wipe your mouth.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Let's go now.
Let's go now.
Close your backpack.
Close your backpack.
Open the front door.
Open the front door.
Step outside.
Step outside.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Hold the railing.
Hold the railing.
Walk slowly.
Walk slowly.
Look both ways.
Look both ways.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
Wait for the signal.
Wait for the signal.
Say good morning.
Say good morning.
Be polite always.
Be polite always.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Ask questions nicely.
Ask questions nicely.
Don't interrupt.
Don't interrupt.
Be respectful.
Be respectful.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Read the board.
Read the board.
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Use your notebook.
Use your notebook.
Sharpen your pencil.
Sharpen your pencil.
Share with friends.
Share with friends.
Speak kindly.
Speak kindly.
Line up quietly.
Line up quietly.
Take your turn.
Take your turn.
Clap for others.
Clap for others.
Pack your things.
Pack your things.
Wait for the bell.
Wait for the bell.
Walk to the gate.
Walk to the gate.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Wash your hands again.
Wash your hands again.
Hang your bag.
Hang your bag.
Take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Rest for a while.
Rest for a while.
Change your clothes.
Change your clothes.
Let's have a snack.
Let's have a snack.
Eat some fruit.
Eat some fruit.